Hello, my name is Fergie from Session 12, and this is my submission for no-code or low-code prototyping for climate solution. The climate issue I'm focusing on is flooding. During heavy rains, floods can happen quickly and unexpectedly. People often lack real-time information about rainfall or rising water levels, which make it harder to prepare and stay safe. So, we need a simple tool that keep communities informed, connected, and prepared. To solve this problem, I make a prototype app is called FloodAware, a tool for climate action. It is designed to help communities stay informed and prepared during heavy rainfall and flood events. This prototype has three main screens. First is home screen. On this screen, user can see the latest flood-related news and real-time rainfall data. For example, there are alerts about flash flood, community preparedness workshop, and guide to understand local risk. The second screen is monitoring. On this screen, user can view an interactive map with flood alert and rainfall intensity. There is also a report flood button, so residents can share real-time flood updates from their area. The third screen is action, which provides safety tips, an emergency checklist that users can tick off, and quick links to emergency contacts like police, fire department, and disaster agency. In this project, I use Stitch AI and Figma to create the prototype quickly without needing to write any code. From this activity, I learned how no-code prototyping can quickly create useful solutions for real climate challenge, making it easier for people to stay safe and prepared. That's all from me. Thank you.